Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to set a reminder on your iPad calendar. So you need to first go ahead and open your Apple calendar. You can search for it on the search bar in the top of your home screen. Click on the plus icon in the top of the screen. Now you'll get two different options of event and reminder. I'm going to go for event for this tutorial. Now go ahead and enter a title. Now you can choose to be reminded on the day of the event, or you can also set a second reminder for the day before. This allows for a dual reminder approach. So I'm going to go ahead, and you can also toggle the all day option right here. And when you set a specific times, you'll have more alert options, including reminders a few minutes before the event. And this allows for more customized alerts and notifications. You can also go ahead and select a reminder, and here you can select a date and time. And then if it's urgent, you can go ahead and toggle this option right here as well. And you can go through other different options as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.